If you're trying to grow your list and automate your marketing, both tools claim to be the best. But after testing them, there are some big differences you need to know before committing to one. And stick around till the end, because I'll share a better alternative that I personally use and recommend. First, let's talk about ease of use. GetResponse has a more beginner-friendly interface. If you're just getting started with email marketing, it's pretty intuitive. Drip, on the other hand, is designed more for e-commerce businesses and advanced automation, so the learning curve is steeper. If you want simple and quick, GetResponse is easier. But if you want deep customization, Drip gives you more flexibility at the cost of being more complex. Next thing, automation. Drip is one of the most powerful email automation tools out there. It allows for advanced segmentation, personalized workflows, and deep integrations with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. GetResponse also has automation, but it's not as advanced, though it does offer features like autoresponders and visual workflow builders that are easier to use if you're new to automation. The third thing to consider is pricing. GetResponse has a free plan and affordable paid options, making it great for small businesses and beginners. Drip, however, is more expensive and doesn't offer a free plan. It's priced based on the number of contacts you have, which can add up quickly. So if you're on a budget, GetResponse is the cheaper option. But if you need high-level automation, Drip might justify the price. The fourth thing is deliverability. There's no point in growing an email list if your emails don't land in inboxes. Both platforms perform well, but GetResponse has a solid reputation for email deliverability and built-in tools to improve open rates. Drip also performs well, but relies more on advanced settings that require fine-tuning to get the best results. Finally, extra features. GetResponse goes beyond email marketing with a website builder, landing pages, webinars, and even paid ads integration. Drip focuses purely on email and e-commerce automation, which means it doesn't offer those extra marketing tools. If you need an all-in-one marketing platform, GetResponse has the edge. But if you're running an online store and need highly targeted email sequences, Drip is the better fit. So which one is better? It depends. If you want powerful automation for an e-commerce business and don't mind the price, Drip is great. If you're looking for a more affordable, beginner-friendly tool with extra marketing features, GetResponse wins. But after testing all of these, I've found a better alternative that combines the best of both worlds. If you're serious about building your email list, you'll want to take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. Our link gets you the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Check it out and let me know in the comments which email marketing tool you prefer.